In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect a payment option to a single ad account so your billing stays clean and organized. Start by opening your browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. You're looking for the official Meta link, which typically includes Meta or Facebook's business domain. Click that result to open the suite. If your browser tries to autofill a different tool, make sure you're landing on the Business Suite homepage and not Ads Manager directly, since we'll be adjusting settings from the suite. Next, sign in using your Facebook or Instagram login that has access to your business assets. If you manage multiple businesses, pick the correct one from the business selector so you're working in the right place. You may be asked to confirm your identity. That's normal and helps keep your billing details secure. Use the following steps if you want a unique payment method for just one account rather than your entire business portfolio. This is a great approach when you want a dedicated card for a specific client, brand, or campaign. From the left-hand navigation, go to Settings. The gear icon is your shortcut if you don't immediately see the label. Inside Settings, look for the Billing and Payments section. Within that area, click Accounts on the left. This view groups billing by ad accounts, which makes it easier to control payment sources at the account level. Select the ad account you want to update. If you manage several, double-check the account name and ID so you don't attach a card to the wrong one. After you open the account, find the Payment Methods section. Click Add Payment Method. This opens the place where you manage how this specific account pays for ads. You'll now choose between adding a new card or selecting one that's already saved to your business portfolio. Pick a saved method if you've previously stored a card and want to reuse it here. If you prefer a brand new card, enter the required details exactly as they appear on your card and billing statement. Matching the name, address, and postal code can prevent declines. Also make sure the currency and country align with your business settings to avoid unnecessary verification prompts. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. When everything is set, you'll see the new method listed under this ad account's payment methods. From here on, charges for that account will route to the method you selected, helping you keep budgets separated and reporting easier to reconcile. That's it! You've added a payment method in Meta Business Suite for a single ad account.